Hello, in this video I will show you how to change alarm ringtone on POCO M4. So you have to start with opening your settings application. Now scroll down and enter sound and vibration and click on alarm. Now you have to close this ad. And now you can scroll down and here you can select an album that you will browse for your new alarm, and here you can choose an alarm that you can set for your alarm ringtone by clicking this button, and now click OK. You have to wait for it to download. Now you have to wait a few seconds and click back. Now click back again, and as you can see, my alarm has been changed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.